Hey guys, welcome to Zesto Learn. Today we are going to see English explanation for the chapter 14 of class 6 Deepakam, that is Chaturdashaha Pataha, 14th lesson. Lesson name is Madhavasya Priyam Angam. So Madhav's favorite body part. So in this lesson, it has been explained through a story that all the body parts have their own special importance in the proper functioning of the body. So let's move on to the lesson. Madhava Namakaha Ekaha Balakaha Asit. So there was a boy named Madhav. Saha Swapane Swa Sarirashya Angani Drishtuvan. Tani Parasparam Charcham Kurvanti Sma. So he saw his body parts in the dream and they were discussing among themselves. Swapne means in the dream. Angani is the organs. Swa Sarirashya means of one's own body. And Parasparam Charcha means we are discussing among themselves. So, what they are discussing among themselves first is the leg is saying that Padaha Vadati, leg says, Aham Shreshtam Mama Karnena Madhava Chalati. So, I am the best. Madhav walks because of me. For that, what hand says, Hasta Anushanam Vadati, Are Mama Karanena Madhavaha Likati Grihakaryam Karoti Vastuni Aniyati Cha Ataha Aham Eva Shreshtaha. So what the hand is saying at the same time, because of me Madhav writes, does the household work, bring the things, so hence I am the best. Shreshtam means best. For that, the eyes is saying, Mama Vina Madhavaha Kimapi Drishtam Shoknani Kim Iti Nayanam Vadati. So, for that, can Madhav see anything without me? The eye says so. Next. Karnaha Smitham Kritva Katyati Madhavaha Yada Marge Gachati Tada पृष्ठः यानानं ध्वनि यदि न शृणोति सावधानः च न भवति तर्हि दुर्घटना भवेत् माधवः मम कारणेन एव शिक्षकस्य उपदेशं श्रुत्वा ज्ञानं वर्धयति सङ्गीतं श्रुत्वा आनन्दं च अनुभवति. So for that, what the ears are saying, ear smiles and says, Madhav, if you don't listen to the sound of the vehicles coming from behind and are not careful while going on the road, then the accident might have happened. It is because of me Madhav increases his knowledge by listening to the teacher's lessons and experiences the happiness by listening to the music. Karnaha means ear. Smithnam means with a smile. Prishtataha means from the behind. Yananam is the vehicles. Tarhi means so. Shrutva is by listening. Anubhavati means experience. For that, next the mouth is saying Jatiti Mukam Sucheti Bo Sarvesh Shrivantu Madhavaha Mama Karanena Bojanam Karoti Bhashanam Karoti Shikshasya Prashanasya Uttaram Vadati Mama Sahayena Udaranamipi Mojaram प्राप्नोति भवन्तः सर्वे सबलाः भवन्ति अतः अहम् एव श्रेष्ठः. So that the stomach first the mouth is saying that because of me, hey listen everyone, Madhav eats food because of me, speaks answer to the teacher's questions because of me. With my help the stomach also gets the food. You are all strong, hence I am the best. So because of me only you are all strong, so I am the best. What who is saying? Mouth. Mukam is saying. So Jatiti means immediately. Mukam means the mouth is saying that. Shruvantu means listen. Shahayen means it is with the help of. Udaram means stomach. Shabalaha means strong. Bhavantaha means all of you. For that the stomach is saying Udaram Suchyati Bhavatu Kolahalam na Kurvanti Vayam Sarve Madhavam Eva Prichama Kaha Shreshta Iti. So stomach says okay, I don't make noise, we all ask Madhav who is the best. माधवः विचारत्य बोध्यति च मम शरीरस्य सर्वाणि अङ्गानि मम कृते उपकाराणि सन्ति अहं नयनाभ्यं पश्यामि कर्णाभ्यं शृणोमि मुखेन भाषणं करोमि भोजनं करोमि च उदारण्ये पाषाणात् शक्तिं प्राप्नोमि पादाभ्यां च चलामि अतः भवन्तः सर्वेऽपि श्रेष्ठाः भवन्तः सर्वेऽपि मम प्रियः. So that Madhav thinks and explains that all the parts of my body help me. I see with my eyes, listen with my ears, speak with my mouth, and eat food and get energy from digestion in my stomach and walk with my legs. That's why all of you are the best. All of you are very dear to me. Bhavatu means okay. Bodhyati is explains. Upakaranani means those who help. Noise. So, and Pichama means ask. Pashyami means I see. Karnabhya means through the ears. Shrunomi means I listen. Padabhya means with the feet. Vachanam karomi means I speak. So this is the meaning which we already saw. Swapne means dream. Swasharirasya means of his own body. Angani body parts. Drishtvan sa. Charchama discussion. Shrestha great. Anushaknam instantly. Griha karya homework. Ma bina without me. Smita means smile. Shaknoti means able to. Marge on road. Sangeetam music. Sahayane with help. Prapnoti gets. Sabalaha strong. Bhavet maybe happen. Kolahalam quarrel. Vicharatya means think. Bodhyati is advices. Upakaranani means helpful. Shakti means strength. So next is exercise. Let's move on to the exercise and name the parts of the body. Eye is called as a netram. Stomach is called as an udaram. Feet is called as an charanaha or padaha. Hand is called as an hastaha. Face is called as a mukam. So we have to write what each part of the body do. Nayanam pashyati, our eyes sees. Mukam, face, what does the face do? It will, whether it will walk or laugh or talk. Chalati means walk. Hasati means laugh. Vadati means talk. So face talks. Padaha means foot. Foot likati means writes. Chalati means walks and moves, and pashyati sees. So foot moves means chalati. Karnaha means hand. So what does the hand do? Hasati vadati shranoti. So karnaha is ear listens, so it is shranoti. Nasika is nose smells, so agranam karoti, it smells. Tongue is jiga. Tongue means what it does, it will taste, so aswadanam karoti. Next, mama dash shiraha asti. My there is a head, so there is only one head, so we have to write it as an ekam shiram asti. How many legs we have? We have two legs, so dva padam staha. Keshaha santi. Keshaha means hair. How many hairs we have? We have many hairs. Bahavaha. Many means bahavaha. We can't count the hairs. Similarly, dantaha, how many teeth we have? We have 32 teeth. So, ashtavishamti. So, and next, mama hastyo dash angulyaha santi. So, how many fingers are there in our hand? There are 10 fingers. Dasha. So, pashyati nayanam. So, earlier we said this, what I do is pashyati, sees. So, now they have given the expressions. We have to say which part of the body does what. Shrinoti means hears. What karnaha hears. So shrinoti karnaha davati, which will run. It is padatvayam. Namati means sir. Suchyati is anguli. So indication, what we will do, indication with fingers. Likati we will do with hand. So hastaha. Namati is bowing to God or something. So head, shiraha. Now they have given the parts of the body. We have to write those in the columns given below based on the parts of the body. What is nasika? Nasika means nose. Nose comes under the first column. Manibandaha means wrist. Wrist come in hand section, so we have to write in the second one. Chipu means elbow. So and kurparaha means torso and hand. Hastaha means hand. Kapolaha means forehead. Bhujaha means arm. Lalatam means forehead. Skandaha means shoulder. Jagyaha means thigh. Nayanam is eye. Janu means knee. And Uruhu means sky. So we have to number, based on the number we have to fill in that columns and write the names of those parts of the body. So next is aham dash gayanam karomi. I dash singing. I sing with my mouth. So we have to write as a mouth. Mouth is mukena. Aham dash dhavanam karomi. I jump with padabhyam. Aham agranam karomi. How I will smell. So it will be nasikaya. So and next I smell with my nose. Aham dash shravanam karomi. How do I listen? I listen with my ears. So it is karnabhyam. Aham dash bhojanam karomi mukaina. I will eat with my mouth. Next, Bagini dash Padukadyam Dharti. So, my sister dash wear 2 shoes on her feet. So, it is Padyoha Padukamyam Dharti. So, I wear, my sister wear 2 shoes on her feet. Bagini dash Mudrikam Dharati. So, where she wears the bracelet on her hands. Hastyo. Bagini dash Malam Dharati. Dash the coin holes, where she hold the coin in her fingers. So, Angulyam. Bagini dash Upanetram Dharati. So, where she hold the pot in the hand. So, left hand. So, we will say is the Vama Hasta. Bagini dash Oshta Ragam Dharati. So, where she wears the necklace around the neck. So, Kante. Fifth one is Kante. Next, Bagini dash Kankanani Dharti, where she wear the earrings in her ears. So, Karna. Karniyoha. Bagini dash Gati Yantram Dharti. So, where she will see with her eyes. So, it is. What is the 7th one? Netrayo. Next is she holds the saffron, that is the chandan on her forehead. So forehead is called as an lalate. Next is lipstick, where she have the lipstick. Kunkumam Dharati. That is Oshtio. Where she wears the mascara and it is in her eyes. So it is the Nayanayo. So you have to fill in the blanks based on the parts of the body. Aham karnabhyam bhojanam karomi. So I eat with my ears. Whether correct or incorrect? No, it's incorrect. Ashuddham. Aham nasika dwara swasham swikaromi. So I breathe through my nose. Correct. So shuddham. Aham angutyo gananam karomi. I count with my thumbs. Correct. Shuddham. Aham nayanabhyam shravanam karomi. I listen with my eyes. Incorrect. So ashuddham. Aham hastena karyam karomi. So I work with my hand. Yes, correct. Shuddham. So this is about the lesson. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to Zest to Learn and share with your friends who are in need of Sanskrit English explanation. And we have separate playlist for class 8, 9 and 10 for Hindi. Subscribe to Zest to Learn. Thank you.